to lane 5 and 1150 index to lane number 4 for qualifying section number 2. We are just about to get back to racing again. We're about to car towed off the track on the right lane. We'll go back.
Goals right here. Hey. Hey, so we're gonna go walk around.
Yeah, man.
Hey, show you guys YouTube channel real quick. These guys are doing
All Gas Podcast.
All Gas Podcast. They're doing podcasts to shine some light on the West Coast racers.
Patrick's Garage at YouTube.
Oh yeah, I'll link everything in the description below for these guys.
Thanks,
I'll see you guys.
We'll see you.
Oh yeah.
We'll see you in SAC next week too.
Oh yeah. We'll see them in SAC. So what's going on, guys? We made a last minute decision to be out here in Fontana with me and Junior. So super last minute decision to be out here. We drove about, I would say like 10 hours just because we slept at the gas station, right? But we came out here to pick up a block. And while we were at that, we came out here to DRN. And also, PFI Speed is out here as well too, so. Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on?
How are you?
I heard a little like under the breath.
Over there. We see you talking. I don't want to. We don't want to bother him.
We literally got here like what, an hour or so ago, and we just got stuck just talking to everybody along the way. We haven't even walked around yet.
Dude, we were passing by. We seen Brent, and I was like, man, that'd be crazy if he had Sykes here, Young Static.
Yeah, so that's one of the other reasons why we're out here in Fontana today. One, because we're picking up a block, and two, DRN is it's the same day, and three, PFI Speed is out here. So if you guys have watched the last video, I did mention that I wanted to get my car tuned at PFI Speed.
That's what I just told him.
So today I'm gonna go talk to PFI Speed Brent himself. Jamie's out here, and I believe Derek is out here as well too. So we're gonna try to set something up and see if we can schedule a time for the all-wheel drive CRX to make its way down to Colorado. So, you know what I mean?
I'm stressed in the rough and foul, take em. In the middle of the field like David Beckham. All my niggas got the clothes. Moving it out, straight out the dungeon, coming out. I go in the mountains.
Strangers undercover. I'm an ass and titty lover. Guess we all meant for each other.
Tires, it'll probably run 8 drive in the lane now. 3 front wheel drive.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we're chilling here just watching the class race right now. We had a subscriber pull up with me. Actually, he was sitting behind me for a cool ass minute, and he was watching me eat my food until I was done, and then he came up to me and asked me if I could sign his phone. Now originally I thought he was asking me to sign his case, but he wants me to sign his actual. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'm gonna sign something for you right now, bro. We can't do it on the phone because it has like a protective layer where it keeps like bubbling up, so I don't want to mess it up anyway. So here's that. You know, I'm gonna put it right here. Yeah. Oh, here we go. I can't block. I can't block the S because I'm not young no more. You know what I'm saying? But that's that. I wish I had signed the phone, but you know the phone doesn't accept the ink, so I think the case will do it. Right there, bro. Hey, hell yeah. Hey, I got some license plates if you want some. Yeah, cause he's the first person that came up to me and asked me to sign. Hey, PFI Brent right there.
Yeah, I watch your YouTube videos too, man.
So I gotta go say what's up to him. Plates. Pass him out today, you know, just because I have him, and I mean, I appreciate you supporting the channel. Hell yeah. Oh. Hey. It starts somewhere, bro.
Yeah, I gotta start it somewhere.
I didn't even know the Fast and Furious Eclipse is out here, and also, it's not Veilside, but it's the RX-7 that Dominic Toretto drove.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's happening?
This is my boy Fred right here.
Dana.
He's from the Street Outlaw, man. He be
Oh,
doing-
shit. What's good?
Yeah,
Hey.
he be doing big things.
Oh man, you got fill me in a little bit, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know, man,
I got shit. I got an all-wheel drive car to put in some work real soon. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, oh yeah. Hey, who started the all-wheel drive? Who started the all-wheel drive? What team started the all-wheel drive?
Oh. I spent my life on YouTube for like 12, 13 years, bro. And the first car I saw all-wheel drive was Berto. BC Performance from Reno was the first person I've seen that had all-wheel drive. Light speed.
Hey, he got a lot of followers on YouTube, so tell him about yourself, man.
And I'm FC Friend, man, hanging out with my boy right here, Chris. You know what I'm saying? Trying to make it happen, man. We're finna kill it for next year.
Import versus domestic, baby. Oh, he brings out a lot of big dogs.
And hopefully I can compete too, man. I'm crossing fingers.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hey.
Damn, Jamie, what is you doing? My name is Dana. Hell yeah, man. You got. Yeah, so my car is done. I finished it like 3 days ago, and everything's running, everything's golden. It's ready to get tuned, and I'm supposed to tune it next week, so I can make it to single tracks last event in Sacramento. And you know, I'm trying to just send it, and you know, whatever the car does, and then after that, I was gonna go straight to you guys. And then when I found out you guys were out here, we drove 6 hours down to, you know what I'm saying? Meet you guys if you want to check out it. Like, hell yeah. I was surprised to see you guys out here. Definitely worth this year, man. Hell yeah.
I looked over and I was like, no way.
Yeah, totally, man. Totally way cool. I had just turned my camera into that's how I'm using my
I
GoPro.
know. So his camera just died. So I've got the footage.
Now I got my secret camera guy right there.
Oh, there he is.
Hey, it's cool to grab pictures with you, bro. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get in contact with you. I haven't contacted you sooner because I was still waiting to get my car done. And now that I finally buttoned everything up, all coming tomorrow, my cycle, changing it out, and it's ready to go. So I'm definitely gonna get in contact with you soon. This guy has no clue. Let's see where he at. Oh, it's further down. Oh, they already outside, bro. Look at that. This dude was already chilling out here, bro. He just bought that S14 right there. Right-hand drive from Japan. Watch, we're gonna pull over and stop real quick. I'm gonna find him. Pull over, look closer.
Your destination is on the left.
Keep going. Right here. This guy with the backward hat.
Holy shit, what the fuck?
What's going on, guys?
What the hell, dude? I was like, who's this? And I was like, saw him. I was like,
Yeah,
dude,
I
what's going on, man? Chris.
Yeah, we just parked right there.
Yeah, you want to chill or?
Yeah, we're going to stop by real quick. I figured we're in town, you know?
Oh, okay.
I knew y'all would be out here already, so.
Always. No, dude, the S14's right over there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I saw that from afar, bro.
Young Static shows up just out of left field.
Yo, we were in town. Figured we stopped by real quick, you feel me? Right down the street. We came from the drag strip, so, you know.
Oh, yeah? Did you race today?
Nah, we just came to spectate. You know what I'm saying? Stop by real quick and say what's up to you. I figured you guys are always in the garage. I'm like, I told my buddy, I said, hey, when you pull up, just stare at him.
I was like, who is this staring at him?
I was like, it's that dude right there with the hair. I was like, his hat's flipped backward, bro. Just stare at him. What's happening, guys?
No, I'm not mine right now.
Good seeing you again. What's going on? Dana. Hey. What's happening? What's going on, bro? Hell yeah. What y'all got going on over here, man? What you guys got going on over here?
Just chilling, checking out.
We're supposed to downstairs, bro.
No.
Playing games over here. Man, I feel like I'm at home right now. Hell yeah. I was like, yo, we're gonna swing by quick. It's only like 15 minutes down the street. Sure enough, squad is all out here. You know what I'm saying? Figure we give a quick visit to Lazy Man Garage. If you follow him already, let's help him get to 1,000 subscribers. He's almost there, and he's always got some good chilling here with the homies. We're definitely gonna check out that S14 over there when we get to it. But Lazy Man Garage, I'll put his information in the description below. Subscribe. So tell me a little bit about this car, who it belonged to, where you got it, how'd you got a hold of it, bro?
The car is a 1993 Nissan S14. From Japan, came from Hiroshima, got brought in about 8 months ago. Was lucky enough to be the one person that freaking he told about it. I just got lucky, kind of fell in my lap, honestly.
Wow, Lazy Man Garage, most deaf. just playing, guys. So the setup is what, blacktop SR20?
Yeah, blacktop SR20 GET, notch top, stock turbo, HPI intercooler setup. It's got HKS gauges, ready gauges, Navan kit, Cusco strut bars.
Man, this thing is like all set up
Cusco
for you already, bro.
Yeah, Buddy Club P1s. It's got full angle kit. Yeah, shit. It's got a lot of shit.
I mean, it looks like it's got a lot of things done to it already, bro. This thing is ready to rock and roll. It's registered and everything too?
We're getting that done this week.
Yee, about to be road legal. Oh my goodness.
California legal, not even road legal. California.
That legit stuff, bro.
I noticed on the side when I first built that car before.
Go for it, you're good. No, you're good.
It's not my car, you know what I'm saying? He can't trying to break a shoe, exactly. Hell yeah, bro.
Listen.
Oh, it's a beauty, bro.
Wait for it.
Hell yeah. This shit's sick.
They used it as a drift car for their shop out there. So I have a couple pictures and a really shitty video of them drifting.
Hey, if you guys don't know, I came here a few months ago, and he actually has a brown wagon in the back, and you know, I've been trying to like help him, like motivate him to get that car and, you know, road worthy again. And then boom, this shit just came out of nowhere. And don't get me wrong, it's a badass car, but don't lose your love for the wagon, bro.
Nah, it's coming.
It's coming.
It's coming.
As long as I know it ain't gotta have for sale sign on it, like it don't have for sale sign, we be good.
I think I would be buried first before I could put that for sale sign. For sure.
Yeah, you hear that? That's a wagon enthusiast right there. Oh, this is so freaking awesome. It's that low RPM boggy shoe. No checking the lights, nothing. Oh, it sounds so fucking awesome, dude. Oh, man. That's some heat for an SR20, bro. That's freaking awesome. The power band comes in super smooth.
Yeah.
Like, it's not rough. Like, I mean, obviously past the bog a little bit. It's a smooth hit. Like, it feels really good. Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, I know, right?
Sick. See, this is the big body S14 that I want.